Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. In this video, I'll be showing you how to create a portfolio website for free. There are two platforms on which I'll be showing you. You can do this for completely free. The first option is Google Sites. And by the way, you can also do this on your mobile device. All you want to do is simply type in Google Sites if you're on a mobile device and then go onto desktop version. From here, you want to tap on Google Sites Sign In. Next, you'll be able to choose the template that you would like to use. For example, let's say I want to use this template. I can simply tap on it. And from here, you can make all of the editing options that you would like. And you can personalize your website. It's quite easy to do. And the beauty about Google Sites is it's completely free and you will also be able to get indexed on Google. So once you're finished personalizing your website, you can simply tap on Publish in the top right hand corner beside your profile pic. And after tapping on Publish, you'll be able to select your website name. As you can see right here, you can type in your website name. And you can see it right here, and that's it. The other platform that I would recommend that you also give a try is Wix. All you'll have to do is go onto wix.com, then select the free plan, and it's easy to sign up. All you'll need to do is enter your email address, and that's it. Once you have entered your email address and create a password, you'll be led to this platform right here on which you can tap on Edit Site, and from here you'll be able to choose the template that you want, and you can also customize your website. And once you're finished customizing your website, you can simply tap on Post if you would like to post it, and this will be your domain name. And if you would like to get a custom domain name, you can simply tap on Connect your own domain right here.